What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today, this is part 3 of the DeFi strategies. This is going to be like your smorgasbord of DeFi junk. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically the night when you open up the fridge and you're like, whoa, there's a bunch of food in here. Cool. Let's just throw it all on a plate and eat it. That's a smorgasbord. So, guys, we're going to show you guys a couple of little DeFi gems and little DeFi blue chip things that I like to use. So in this video, this is going to be a couple of my outside or other strategies that I use that are outside something like your Binance Smart Chain or Polygon. This is more so going to be like a mix of staking on different blockchains, on Ethereum, etc. So first off, guys, I'm going to go in no particular order whatsoever is Terra. Guys, Terra is fire. The reason why I like Terra is I like the whole ecosystem. In fact, I use Terra, Mirror, and Anchor protocol, and it's a lot of fun. So what you can do is you can actually stake your Terra tokens on Terra Station. You can actually earn stable coins, you can earn Terra, and you get airdrops every like week or something paid in Mirror and Anchor. So what's cool about this is you can oh wow, I got an airdrop. That's a lot of fun. Guys, see, that's what I'm saying. You guys like presents. So that's literally how it shows up. It literally shows up like an airdrop and you claim it. So it's because I'm staking Luna. The other one I like to use is Mirror. So on Terra Station, it changes from time to time. One day it'll be like 10%, the next it'll be like 15, and the next it'll be 0. I'm just kidding, it won't be 0, but it'll be lower and then it'll be higher. It's just depending on who's staking. It's always a push-pull type of system. Let me show you what it is now. I'm gonna go ahead and connect with Terra. This is asking for a bunch of junk and I don't feel like doing that right now. So anyways, guys, just so you guys can keep that in mind, whenever this staking ratio goes up, the interest rates go down. Oh, my goodness, guys, I'm blind. Right now it's 16%. So you guys can see, here's the annuals. Like, geez, back in December, those are 168%. You were printing dough right then. So guys, anyways, guys, you guys get the point. But that's how the staking ratios go. Let me see what it looks like daily. Yeah, dude, that's moonshot. The next one is Mirror Protocol. Mirror Protocol is fun because you can actually go straight on governance and you can stake these tokens and you can earn some pretty good yields. And if you guys don't want to do that, you can actually use the Mirror token for providing liquidity for some of these jokers as well. The reason why I like Mirror Protocol is it allows people to trade stonks. What's cool about stonks is, guys, you don't have to be in the United States to buy a United States stonk. You can be like in Mexico, or you can be in Canada, or you can be in Brazil or Antarctica, or you can be in Hawaii, or you can be under the ocean or on top of a mountain or right where you're at. Anyways, so you can do that and you can buy these stonks. And what's cool about these stonks is you can actually use the stonks to provide liquidity and you can earn interest on your stonks. So guys, Apple doesn't pay a dividend, but now you can get a dividend for Apple on Mirror. Anyways, guys, that's Mirror Protocol. That's another little DeFi gem that I do like. And the next one is Anchor Protocol. Anchor Protocol is fire, guys. So literally what you do, you can get airdrops here too, is you can mint or bond B Luna. What you can do with this B Luna is, while I'm lending this out and allowing other people to borrow against it, I'm earning 271% interest paid in Anchor tokens. I know you guys are like, oh, it's paid in Anchor. Okay, whatever, dude. If you don't like Anchor, all you got to do is go under the Anchor governance, claim the token, and go on TerraSwap and sell your token. Dude, it's like a no-brainer. It's like, if you don't want the Anchor token, don't take it. I like the Anchor token. So you can take the Anchor token and you can stake it and earn an additional 3%. Why not? Or you can be like, nah, bro, I want to go ahead and just stake stable coins. You can stake stable coins and earn 18% interest. Dude, I don't know what else to tell you, but it's out there. Go for it. The next one is PieDAO. Guys, I love PieDAO because pie is good, especially when it's a strawberry or blueberry pie. Cool about PieDAO is they have a bunch of different farms and pies. So what I really like about these pies is, for example, like Balanced Crypto Pie. If you don't know what Balanced Crypto Pie is, well, you just look at the products. So you go to products, indices, I don't even know how to say the word, but it explains to you what's in each pie. So if you're like, bro, I want to be in a stablecoin pie because I think it's safe. Well, you can get a stablecoin Pi, and it's a bunch of different stablecoins. If you're like, bro, I want to be in just a Pi that's just like balanced. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to look for something safe. Well, this one will put you in, like, for example, BCP. This will put you in a DeFi plus wrap Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, you're in a Pi or in a token that is getting exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and DeFi plus plus. What is DeFi plus plus? What the pants is that? Dude, you're throwing a bunch of terms at me and I don't even know what I'm talking about. Well, guys, it's the name of another Pi. So if you open up this Pi, it has the low cap DeFi plus S and the DeFi L. So if you want to see what's in those, look, the DeFi L has Sushi, Compound, Aave, Uniswap, Chainlink, Maker, Synthetics, Yearn Finance. Now the small cap DeFis has Balancer, Loopring, Ren, Uma. Oh, what was that token? That one's like not Pancake. That one's called like Plencent or something like that. And this one is called, I don't know. If you guys remember the symbols on those two, hit me up in the chat below. What is that one? Daggone it. That's making me mad. Anyways, guys, you guys get the point. Actually, I think I could just open it up and tell you right now. Haha, losers. It's PNT and MLN. That's what it is. All right, guys. So, guys, now you guys understand it. What's cool, now you can get these Pis and get exposure to these. And you can be like, all right, well, that's cool and all. I saved a bunch of gas fees. I got like 40 different tokens all in one. And it's nice to have like an ETF. That's pretty cool. But, dude, you can come over here and stake your Pis. How else can you do that? Go to VFAT Tools. It'll tell you the interest that you'll get. So, like, for example, dude, we're on Polygon. Let's go on Ethereum. All right, so now we're on Ethereum, guys. Look at this. So, for Balance Crypto Pi, this sucker is paying 40%. Nice. That's fire. If you want the DeFi L, it's 70%. Or the other one, or no, that's not 70%. I'm sorry, guys. It's actually more than that. It's 73%. And this one is 34%. This one's 157%. This is 260. Guys, you're basically getting paid for staking these jokers. So you can go and get the token, get exposure to it, and you can stake them in these pools. I mean, it's just like a no-brainer. Anyways, the next one is Alpha Finance. So Alpha Finance has some really cool stuff. I highly recommend you guys check out my video. There's a lot of leverage opportunities and options. Guys, let me tell you this now. Super highly risky. Just like everyone talks about Bybit links, this is basically a Bybit link. But I'm not getting any money or getting any referrals out of it. I'm just telling you guys, they have some cool Lego blocks and they can build some pretty cool houses. So guys, you can check out Alpha Finance. Alpha Finance has some interesting stuff. They allow you to leverage gains, and it allows you to like earn 7x the percent you would on like stables. Instead of earning like 5 or 10%, you can actually earn up to like 50% after obviously paying like loans and stuff. The reason they're able to do that is because they do what we do back and forth, basically getting a loan on your loan. If you don't know what that means, that's okay. Here's a good example. I give someone $10, I get a loan for $8, then I give them that $8, and now I get a loan for $6. Well, I basically am like leveraging my money now, because now in theory, instead of just starting with $10, now I have $24 on the line because I leveraged it. I got a loan against my loan, etc. So that's Alpha Finance. You can actually just stake, if you guys are just wanting to stake the token itself, you can literally launch the app. They pay pretty decent returns. Some is like 10%, sometimes it's 15, sometimes it's 20. Just depends how much the trading is on that site, because you're basically earning the fees of the protocol. So if Alpha gets popular, you're going to be making some serious cheese. If it's not, well, you're going to be pooping cheese. The next one is Secret Network. Secret Network is really cool because, guys, privacy is a thing, and they pay like 30% on staking, which is pretty fire sauce. So that's really just it for Secret Swap. And the next one is Polkadot. Polkadot, I like to stake that one as well because I'm bullish on Polkadot. And the other one is Cosmos. And lastly, guys, I'm going to show you the last one that I like to use the most is Kava. Kava, I made a full video on it on Cosmos Station as well. This one's got to be my all-time favorite one because you can earn some serious rewards on this junk. So like with Kava, you can actually get a loan. Let me go straight to the Kava network. Kava, if you go to their products, they have the Kava protocol. Oh, dude, they got Kava swap coming. Yeah, dude, I love Kava swap. Anyways, so now that'll be like game changer. But anyways, with the Kava protocol, look, you guys can go on here. You can earn 29% on Bitcoin. You can earn 53% on hard. In fact, the staking rewards on Kava right now are like 160%. Yes, it's paid in Kava, dude, but that is like literally like pancake tokens for a DeFi gem, guys. I don't know why people aren't talking about Kava. Kava is like fire sauce. But guys, I did a full video on Kava. Go ahead and check that out. This is just another DeFi strategy. This is just a quick video, guys. I tried to make it quick. I know I spent a lot of time and wasted a lot of time talking about like Terra and Cake and all those kinds of stuff. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys stayed till the end, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. Make sure you guys leave a comment below saying you subscribed. And guys, hint, hint, if you guys stayed till the end, make sure you leave a comment below saying subscribed with the fire emoji. And that will throw you into a drawing to earn $125 in BTC. Only the guys who listen to the end can do this. And guys, I'll know if you listen to the end or not because it's got that fire. Fire! All right, guys, we're going to leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 25 verses. Guys, you know what verse we're in, right? Because I don't. Yeah, I do. It's 22. Verses 22. In doing this, oh, wait, this is a continuation of 21. But if your enemy is hungry, give him. We'll just do 23. Like a north wind that brings unexpected rain is a sly tongue which provokes a horrified look. That's so true, man. Have you ever had someone just like lie straight through their teeth and then you look at them and be like, bro, you're lying to me. No, I'm not. Bro, you're lying to me. No, I'm not. Dude, you just lied to me twice and you lied to me again. Why are you going to keep lying? No, I'm not. Guys, don't be a liar. Thanks for tuning in, guys. By the way, dogs, if you guys want to check me on TikTok, you guys can check me out on TikTok. I do daily wisdom one-liners there as well. I'll put a TikTok handle in the link in the description below. I think that's what it's called. That video. All right, guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time. You will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.